Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 26 of the Foodcast. How are you doing, Heather?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm fantastic. Can you believe that Christmas is next week?
No.
Are you finished with your shopping?
Shopping, yes. Shipping, no.
They sound similar.
Yeah, and I still have a few more wrappings to do. Not much. I'm mostly good there. But then there's always, oh wait, I forgot I tucked that away. I need to go wrap it.
Invariably, every single year, I buy something ahead of time and then quote unquote tuck it away and then forget where I tuck it away. And then maybe January, February, I'll find it and go, oh, yeah, here it is. It's usually an iTunes gift card because those are small and get lost. But this year I bought them and I stuck everything in the same little shelf in my office. So it's like stocking stuffers or whatever. So
that was a good idea.
All of my shopping is done. All of my shipping is done. And all of my wrapping is done. I don't think I've ever been this ready.
What about all of your cooking? Is that done too?
Shush.
Or are you gonna
shush. Let me enjoy the moment.
Okay, good. I just want to make sure you're not like that one girl who had everything done.
No, I still have, I haven't even really planned the menus.
It's okay.
Let alone the shopping list.
There's always Chinese takeout.
That's true.
It's always available.
No, the only thing I have in the I made a batch of Krabby Patties the other day for the blog post.
You are.
So that is it. And the Chex Mix. Yeah, that's all I have prepped. But this year's Christmas Eve is going to be a little less crazy than previous years. We're not doing the big 20 people dinner.
Oh, good, because that's like exhausting.
I don't mind the prep and getting all ready, and it's lots of fun. It's usually just that it ends so late and we're so tired that we're like, we'll deal with it tomorrow, and then we go to bed. But then we wake up Christmas morning and yay, presents from Santa, but also a disaster of a kitchen.
Yeah.
So that's the only downside, really. But this year, mom and dad are going to be here, and we're just going to have a couple friends that, husbands are deployed or whatever. So I call them the misfit kids.
Yeah.
So it might just be like
toys.
Yeah, exactly. It just might be, I think maybe 8 total. So
that's all right.
Yeah, manageable.
You know what people do a lot around here, which I've never had a party big enough, but they'll hire a person to come in and like pass appetizers, clean the dishes, help restock drinks, do that kind of stuff. So you have a person actually working the event so that by the time you're done at the end, there's really nothing left to do because they've cleaned as, the night has gone on and whatnot. Pay them for a couple hours of time. It could be a high school kid or, whoever.
That's a good idea.
But, not super expensive, but the peace of mind, I think, is pretty amazing.
I'll have to remember that. My only issue with that is my kitchen is right off. I mean, it's the same room as the dining room. So if they're in there, clanking away, doing dishes, is that going to take away from the event?
I don't know.
Versus having like your kitchen in another room where they can.
I don't think so. I think you're probably okay. You might even be able to do some sort of like a screen or something just to block out some of that kitchen. Because maybe if it's dirty, people don't want to see it anyway.
That's true.
I don't know. Just a thought.
I will keep that in mind for the next time.
All right. So you said you got all your presents. What about like any last minute events or holiday, like a New Year's party you have to go to or something and you need to host his gift? Are you covered?
I am covered. You know why? Because I did a few DIYs that make a lot. They're easy to do. So I've got a few little, like if a neighbor stops by, here, a little gift.
And they bring you a plate of something yummy and you don't want to stand there like, oh, thanks. I didn't do anything.
I know, because that's the worst feeling. It's like, I'm sorry. I didn't think of you at all. It's really what I say.
Boy, are you nice to remember me.
I mean, there's always the, a bottle of wine or whatever, or a creepy headache-inducing candle that from the dandy store.
You're a doodle dandy.
Doodle dandy. Yeah. So, I mean, yes, you can do those, but okay, please don't do the candle. That's just mean.
They're yucky. Don't.
The wine. Okay, but
don't get crappy wine from
Walgreens. That's what I was going to say. If you're going to do wine, buy a nice bottle.
Nobody likes wedding wine.
Yes. So that's what we're going to talk about today is a couple really easy DIY things that you can do for last minute gifts. Again, usually makes in bulk. So you've got a few things ready. You can put them in a cute little gift bag and just have them ready for those pop-ins or those last minute parties you get invited to or whatever. Heather, why don't you start us off? What's one of your faves?
All right. Well, I do want to say first off, you don't have to take notes if you're driving to work or something right now. We'll have some links for the recipes. So it's our gift to you. You're welcome. Aww. You don't need to write a gift note. It's fine.
There won't be a bow.
Oh, and there's no receipt. My favorite easy peasy is bath salts. You can use any kind of glass jar you want. Yes, I'm saying glass jar from 4 ounces to 40. Anything you like. If you find a cute bottle, not like a 40, but I don't know, it might be fun. It depends on your recipient. So half baking soda, half Epsom salts. Mix them up, shake it up together, and add some essential oils. You can use any oils you like. If you want something relaxing, maybe do your lavenders, your cedar woods, your stress aways. If you wanted something a little uplifting, maybe a citrus. Easy. Done. And then the person can just dump a bunch in their bathtub and sip a glass of wine and enjoy the evening.
Just a little safety note, if you are going to do citrus oils, make sure you let them know to take that bath at night so that they can metabolize the citrus oils and they're not susceptible to burning the next day.
Because they're photosensitive. I have another product that I love to make as well, a face serum. Super easy again. You pick any essential oils you want that are great for skincare. And honestly, there's billions of them out. Not billions, you know what I mean. Lots of them out there. Use a carrier oil that's gentle for your face. So jojoba, sweet almond oil. You could use fractionated coconut oil. Some people are a little bit sensitive to it. I personally am not. But pick and choose based on the recipient and put all those things together in a dropper top bottle. Use one of those colored glass bottles, the amber or the blue. Very fun, very lovely, and you can make a cute name out of it. Stay Young Forever serum or something like that.
Yes, I like frankincense is my favorite for the face serum.
Frank.
It does so much.
The bomb.
I know. But you know what would go good with that face serum is a toner.
Oh, yes, for sure.
Yeah, easy peasy. You can do witch hazel. You can do apple cider vinegar. I do a 3-to-1 apple cider vinegar to water ratio.
Smelly.
It evaporates in like 10 seconds. It's smelly when you spray, but it's fine after that. And then, maybe maybe a rose if it's a really nice friend.
Oh, for a special friend.
Maybe some grapefruit if it's not a very special friend. Just kidding. But grapefruit really is good. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Tea tree.
Tea tree is good, another good face one. But again, the list goes on. But that's a super easy one. You put it in another amber or blue bottle with a spray top. If you really were nice, you could give both of those things.
Yes. And you can get all the bottles on Amazon. So, or you can get them at Whole Foods. I've seen them at the Vitamin Shoppe. You can buy the bottles.
We'll link to a couple of those too to make it easy for you to find them. Another one I like is whipped body butter. Super easy, and it's all food grade stuff, so you can use your regular mixer, throw it in your mixer, whip it up. I like to add
whip it real good?
Whip it good. It's really fast to get to whip together.
And I saw a nice one that uses cocoa butter and then you add some peppermint to it. Mm-hmm. So it's like a chocolate mint. So you feel like
that is one of my faves. It's so awesome. And all of these things, you add a little bow to the bottle and it's kind of done and it's beautiful looking.
You're a rock star.
Yeah. What else has lip balm? Heather and I have a debate going on lip balm.
Okay. So my favorite lip balm was gifted to me at convention by Miss Rama from Oily Renegades. And sent her a note. I said, I need your recipe. This is the best stuff ever. It's my favorite one. I've made 10 different kinds. I love this one. She goes, oh, well, I have a YouTube channel. It's on there. And there's a whole video how to make it. I'm like, oh, aren't you cool? So it's easy as all get out. It's beeswax, cocoa butter, avocado oil, vitamin E oil, and then she used peppermint essential oil. But I mean, again, you could use other essential oils if you wanted. Made like 10 or 12 different little lip balm tubes, but you could even put it into a glass jar, a ball jar kind of idea, and give the entire recipe to someone if you wanted, if you really liked them that much, or keep it for yourself. This is my favorite recipe because it lasts. Some of the other ones I've made tend to be really oily and then they don't stay on your lips that long.
Yes, I agree. The one we're going to link to both of these. You guys make them and let us know on the Facebook page which ones you like.
Yeah, tell me your favorite.
But I use another one. It's similar recipes. It's beeswax, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and then whatever oils you want. And I like peppermint because it's minty, but super easy. It's fresh. Yeah, exactly. And again, it does stay on. I like it because it does stay on a little bit longer than some of the other ones that are a little bit greasier. And like little metal tins too are great because sometimes pouring them into those lip balm tubes is...
Oh, yeah, it's hard.
It's a little hard.
A nice repurposing is like an Altoid tin, something like that. There's littler ones. I know Trader Joe's has littler mint containers. If you're going to use a peppermint flavoring anyways, it's a peppermint essential oil, that might be a nice way to package it.
Great idea. And then finally, if you're stuck, you really just don't have time to make anything, just blend up a couple essential oils that you love.
Well, my favorite this week has been orange, tangerine, clove, and cardamom.
Ooh, very festive.
Just so yummy. I had that rolling on my desk all week. It's been fabulous. So just pick whatever oils you really like. If you have maybe an essential oil bottle that's almost empty, fill it up with some complementary oils, and you could even do a carrier oil on top, put a roller top on it. So they could use it as a topical roller, and it's fabulous. And make a cute little tag that tells them what it's for. Like this will brighten your day, whatever. This will keep your kids at bay. Whatever it is.
I highly recommend oregano for that.
Oh, nice. Like just garlic keeps away the vampires. Either way. So ditch and switch this week. My thought is that crappy headache inducing candle that Patty referenced, don't ever give someone that. It's like you're telling them that you hate them.
I hope you don't feel well.
I do not wish you a Merry Christmas. Give them something that they can smell that would be lovely, but that will actually support their body systems. So that's my peace and joy to you, friends.
I like it. All right. So hopefully that gives you a few ideas. With that, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter, foodmoose.com. We've got some free stuff for you when you do. You can also find us at Food Moose on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget about our Pinterest page. We have a lot of the recipes that we talked about today pinned to our DIY skincare board. And
we wish you a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We're very excited for the holidays. Enjoy everything. Don't feel pressured to do it all. You can set your own pace. You can make the rules. Just do you. Live for real.
I think that's been our motto for the season is you do you.
You do you. Whatever you need or don't.
All right. Go forth. Be real. Moose out.